What else have you used to try to catch crab?
Good for where we're going though is like turkey neck, which we don't have turkey neck. And because this way the seal doesn't seem to go for the turkey neck at all.
There's seals out there?
Yeah, there's a couple. I hope we'll see one today though. That'd be awesome. But then those little buggers come and take your food, rip your bait traps open.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What's the little one for?
That's where you put your bait in.
Oh. It is so nice here and I can't wait to do this.
Raw fish again today.
Raw fish?
Yep, I'm gonna get some raw fish.
I got extra bait bags just in case the seal comes and chews it up. But I haven't seen him pop his head up yet, so maybe he's not here.
Will they play in there?
No, they'll fight each other. They will literally fight. They're not gonna play. Trust me, they will fight.
Umbrella!
So when this goes down, does it stay open?
Yeah, it'll close up like when you throw it, and then when it touches the bottom, it'll open up.
How do you know when you have a crab in it?
You pull up every once in a while.
Who do you guys think is going to be the first one to catch crabs? That sounds terrible. I'm not fishing. Can only keep the males of a certain size.
And that's for 165 millimeters, and that's between the shell. And now it stays. I can reel it in or let it go down. Yep.
I got nothing.
I can hold him, but I'm not gonna. Oh, he's big enough. I'm gonna go toss him in the bucket, Paula.
What? I don't want to touch him.
Make sure he's a male. Yeah, he's a male.
How do you know he's a male?
Looks like a lighthouse, almost, kind of.
Oh.
This one's a female. See that? The difference? That's a female.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So she goes back and he gets to stay.
Yeah, he does. It's a matter of getting them untangled without getting pinched. Okay.
I'm not picking it up.
There you are.
This one's a purple one. That one's red rock too. Flip over, buddy, so I can see if you're a boy or a girl. I get to learn how to cook crab now.
So we'll probably put maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes when it's boiling, and then we'll put it in ice water right away to stop the cooking process.
Well, I feel ridiculous in this apron. All right, I'm gonna learn how to cook a crab today. So apparently we need all of these things. These just look like nutcrackers to me. Careful, boys, careful, boys. And then these are to clean up the legs. So the first thing we have to do is take them and throw them in the pot and boil them. Lots of salt so that we don't draw the natural salt out of the body. So that's why we gotta put that in there. And then once we get them boiled, DJ is gonna have me clean them.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I've never even like experienced any of this before, so this is definitely gonna be interesting. Wish me luck. They say about 7 minutes per pound, so these are probably 1 to 1.5 pounds, so 7 to 10 minutes, I think. We're just waiting on the water to boil. So flip them over. Oh no! Oh. Make sure you said honor. Well, the legs, aren't they supposed to?
Let them just sit in there for a little bit.
Oh, I can't believe I'm gonna clean that out.
Yeah. It's all you, Paula. You got this.
Ugh. Ugh. This is gonna be gross. Okay, from what I watched, the first thing I gotta do is get in the shell here. Can I use tools or just my hand?
Oh! No, that wasn't supposed to happen. Paula? No, from the... Hey, it's okay.
What is that crap that's splattered out of there?
You pull it, get the lid off, throw that in the garbage, and you can clean it out with this in the sink.
Ugh! Gross. So these are the lungs it said to take off. Now this, oh, it's just initially when I cracked it and stuff started splattering places, that's what really grossed me out. Ooh. More yellow stuff.
Over.
This?
Yep.
I better use something here.
Yeah, just gonna grab into it. Take time with it.
Don't splatter that yet. Oh!
Yeah, now pull
What the
that.
hell is that?
Pull it,
Oh,
rip
gross.
it. Pull it. No, use your hand, Paula.
Well,
Oh, now you gotta rip that part off. It'll make it harder.
Oh, Brody! Oh. It's not a boy anymore. Oh, it's head. Okay.
Yeah, so,
Oh, I gotta take that and twist that off.
yeah.
Oh, DJ. Like that?
Just do whatever, Paula.
Ah!
Okay, well, not like that, but sure.
Well, how do I? Oh, it's not live. Flex.
Okay, how about this? Here, twist his arms up. Twist his arms
I'm
off.
supposed to break.
You can break it in half. You're making it harder to get all the meat out of Paul by doing that.
My first one.
I think you
forget.
just wrecked the meat out of the body.
No, there we go.
Look at all that meat.
But there's still some.
Yeah, the mustard. That's okay, you can eat it.
What is it?
Okay, rip.
You have to remember, this is my very first time even seeing this, let alone doing this. Well, maybe you should do the next one
You're doing them both.
and show me the proper way.
No, now you did it. Now you can do it again.
Actually, it's not as bad as I thought once I started doing it. It's when they're alive that freaks me out. Don't mind me, I'm just having supper.
I get rid of all that. Okay.
This is 2 crabs and my supper. Well worth it. Well worth it.